Draw a beautiful butterfly. Hello kids, today we are going to start a beautiful butterfly. Let's get started with the paint. Here we are using red color. First we will cover all the corners in a line. You can see a beautiful bird rotating around. First we will cover all the edges and now in the middle. Let's get started in the next wing. Cover the edges and then cover in the middle. Like that. Now let's cover the middle part. Now we are going to the third side. Now we are taking the blue color. Cover the edges. A beautiful blue vibrant color is here. We are covering the middle part. Let's cover the fourth part, which is the last wing. Cover the fourth wing with blue color. 2 wings are red and 2 wings are blue. Now cover the middle part. Which is very beautiful golden yellow. We just take a tiny drop. This is the final touches. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Do subscribe. Kids Learn Alphabets.